the reason why
So
they.
which way? Okay, that'll fit.
I just
Right?
don't get it because why it's showing like that. So it's gonna be facing her like that,
Yes.
or we have it
or-
upside down.
No, that's where the feet are at.
Uh-huh.
Names up here.
Okay.
There it goes. This is a screen part.
Mom, I'm just gonna put this away, okay?
Maybe we
The
can.
feet are down here, right?
Where is?
Maybe we can do like that, or no? It does. It won't fit. No, like that. Wait, but it has to. The light has to face her.
Okay, yeah, what I'm saying is, I'm just trying to measure it.
No, it's not. It's not. It's dangerous.
Huh?
It's not.
No, it won't fit just on here. And then I can put it here for more
Yeah.
stability.
Yeah.
Just don't hit it, don't move it. You understand, Angel?
Yeah.
So there's a light, so the lights, you see like that way, is that what you?
Yeah.
This is it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Okay, great. Oh, here we go.
Maybe we can put by like a
Watch
double
this,
take
Angel.
that.
Look, Angel, what's plugged in on the floor?
That's me.
Naturally. What? What's
You
it?
think it's safe that?
Yes.
Maybe we can get the double take.
Next.
Huh?
Next piece.
Yeah.
There you go.
Oh, you know what?
No, we don't. No, come on. One second.
So Liliana, no water around this area anymore, Naka? If you wanna drink, it has to be. Okay, we'll tighten up more later, okay?
We just fixed that.
The what?
We just fixed that.
We're gonna move it. Let's put first your screen, okay?
Okay. Sorry guys, we're having technical anger issues right here. Anger issues.
Isn't this quite your table? Why we have all plates again? It's okay. Just wipe the area where Daddy's gonna put your screen.
Okay, here's your instructions. That's a mold and
Do we
everything.
get the wipes?
Yeah. Oh, right there, honey.
Well, we're literally just kissing someone? Are you kissing someone?
And then there's your porch here.
Whoa.
Let's have the screen first, and then let's just do everything.
Yeah, you don't have to set it right now. We're just holding up the boxes, right? Angel,
Got some clothes.
Angel,
Yeah?
we might not be able to get this working until this weekend. We're just opening it up right now and getting it out. You understand? Yes?
Yes.
Good. So you gotta take baths, you gotta do stuff, so. Hi, Cindy, what's this here?
That's her soundboard.
Huh?
That's the sound. Your soundboard, enough.
Okay.
Ooh, it's a
So what's in the
soundboard.
box here? Okay, who's in the boxes?
I don't know. You.
Me!
guys are the ones
You
who-
told me I could.
I said keep stuff together, so is this your headset or what? Give
Yeah.
it here. Huh?
Yes.
Well, put the headset back. What goes in this box? The headset? Yeah?
Could be the mouse or your headset. Yeah.
I asked you a question. Go ahead.
Right here. This.
I understand you took it out, but you have to put it back in because this has stuff in it, you understand? So we don't lose nothing. At least tie it together until you get it assembled. I'm just trying to get the stuff up there. So you see where it goes, right?
Yeah.
Right?
I'll say set
Huh?
it here. Don't
What
put it
happened
there. Are you gonna put it on
What happened now? What do you want me to do?
Nothing.
No, I'm asking. I don't know what you want me to do. What?
Because that table, are you gonna put everything in there? Okay.
What you know? I'm asking a
I
question.
don't know.
Well, then, well, talk to me. Mom, can you get over here? Get over here. This, Mom.
Because she's not gonna be able to use that table if,
So what do you want? So what do you want me to do?
I said just settle it in there.
What do you mean settle what in there? Do what?
Nothing, just do whatever you
Explain. No, I don't know. Mom, come here. Siggy. I was just.
I'm okay, just do whatever you guys
No,
wanna do.
come here. No, get over here. Freak, man. What? Come here. What happened? What, Mom?
I said just put it on that side, everything together
What
versus.
do you mean? What do you put on the side?
Okay. I don't
Explain
know.
better. Then you,
Just right here on this side.
put what?
Those things in there.
This goes on that table, right?
Okay.
I was just gonna put it on the table right here. Angel, what are you doing? When you work together as a team, you can't go nowhere.
I'm just right here.
Oh, freak. Angel!
Yeah?
Come here. Can you bring me out of that box?
Just listen to him, Laliana,
Don't
because it's
touch
starting to be
anything. Quit
frustrated.
hitting everything, okay? Do you need to open this up or what? Open it up and take it out of the box if that's what you're gonna do. We need to take this out? I need help, Mom, over here.
I would suggest no. Don't take out anything yet because if there's pieces of it and we're not putting everything together right away,
Yeah, I know.
there's no point of us opening the boxes.
Oh, okay. I just want to see where it goes at. Where the keypad's gonna fit and get that ready for, so I can assemble that. You're gonna assemble that, right, or no?
Well,
Oh,
you
we're
said
done.
you're not gonna do it tonight.
When did I say I was not gonna do it tonight? You said you want me to assemble it and get it up. That's what I was doing. I took everything out of the boxes.
Okay.
Then I mean, I don't know what
No,
you
because
want.
you told Liliana earlier. He said she said Liliana
Yeah, I didn't
earlier.
want her to take everything out of the box and get everything scattered. So at least know where everything's at.
If you look at congressional allocations for Ukraine, and that's both military and humanitarian aid, full aid across the board,
What I was getting at, you want to set the keypad up
about 170.
where it goes, and you want to set the
Okay,
screen up
okay.
where it goes. Is that yes?
Yes.
The last time Congress appropriated
Okay, you take that out of the pad there.
an estimate that the total may have creeped up to about a little over 180, maybe 183, 184 billion. So that's the U.S. contribution that he wants to somehow recoup back to the
I wasn't gonna hook up no wires or nothing, just
And he's not wrong when he talks
try to get the TV up so you can see it where it goes, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you said you need to hook to set it up, so
more money in the United States. I think
that's what I was gonna do right away. I'm not worried about plugging in the cords or how it works or anything else. That's why I was gonna keep everything to itself. That's why I need your help over here.
which means at some point.
With instructions and stuff, save you time.
So he's not incorrect in saying that the U.S. and the Biden administration did in fact give away a lot of money to Ukraine, and the Europeans loaned a lot of money to Ukraine, and there is a difference in that. So that's correct. The amount of money though, wildly different
Ooh, I did it.
as opposed to what Donald Trump has talked about. I'm not quite sure where he got that. I kind of
did
looked
it.
at it, so I was like, well, if you were to loan that money with a high risk return on investment,
Daddy, open the box.
Okay, ready.
Can you just leave it here?
Yes.
certainly was nothing ever stated, and that's
Scissors, Angel.
Oh,
where that 300 billion plus number came from.
you
Yeah, I
know.
think it's important.
Over here, cut it, open this up.
Oh,
Let me do it there.
okay.
Okay, has a tool. Oh, those are huge, yeah, those are the United States. And then here. And then those are the two.
I know this is a little bit long. No, it's 9 minutes. It's 9 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes. So, right here. I'll keep this up right now. So you know how to assemble it?
You should be on this side because you're.
Okay. Can I move this one?
Sure. You go with that?
Okay.
Okay. What are we gonna do?
Oh, screws going here. 4 screws. Right? Huh?
There's over $50 billion congressionally allocated U.S. funds that have not been spent for Ukraine. It's still out there. And I think that Vladimir Zelensky wanted to firm that up. Part of the mineral
Just gonna skip this part, okay?
money flowing, the finalized
Don't put them on until I'm done.
all right, we're just catching bits and pieces. The $500 billion demand that
I like
was
follow
in the,
directions.
as far as
I said don't put them on until I was done. I didn't
You already.
I was not done with that. I didn't say I was done with it. I just got it started, so I get all 4. I have to get them all 4 in, and then go around and tighten them.
U.S. gift from this. There's kind of some vague language out there right now, and it may get changed, but it's talking about 50% of the proceeds that comes from the rare earths mining, and it also includes things like natural gas and oil and stuff. And that's
So you have to screw it in,
Yeah.
telling the viewers
Oh,
that.
okay.
So you have to screw it in, and yeah,
Now you can put them on.
so it's stable. It's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Did I do it right?
Oh,
You just have
yes.
to put it on top.
Yeah, that's all.
Yeah.
Mining is an interesting business. My father was a miner, and I've done a lot of things looking at mining. I've done consulting in mining.
Okay.
There's a saying in that world
And then.
that you want
I'm playing
fortune in mining, you start with
nothing right there.
large fortune.
Nothing there, right?
There's, you know,
Yeah. Oh, you still have to screw it or no?
Huh? Nothing right there. It goes in, right? Yes?
Yes.
Where's it going at?
Right there.
Okay, let's take it up over there.
No, you still have to screw it, Dad.
Huh?
You have to screw it. Hold on. I'll have it upside down. Here, look. Did you see that?
Is it after it gets to the end customer? And there's a lot of things to be negotiated here, so it may not be what it is. The other thing too is some of those rare earths are actually in Russia,
Make sure to screw the bottom.
which opens up another
If you're getting something like this, then you have to pay very close attention to it.
natural gas.
Like where to set it up.
For reasons I will get into, I had a lot of reasons to look at the Black Sea
I guess
in some of my consulting, and
it
There they go.
looks smaller on Temu. Well, not Temu. Temu,
Nothing up, okay?
Amazon.
Amazon, yeah.
Okay, where'd you want it?
It's on top of there. The second line.
Up here?
Yeah.
if we have a stake in getting those proceeds from that, then we have a stake in making
And then you can bend it, I think.
Huh?
You can bend it, I think.
No. No. Ain't no bending.
Okay, here is the computer.
Is that okay for you, baby?
Of course it is.
Keypad.
Keypad.
Is your keypad? Yeah. Once you set up over there. Okay, you got it? Yes?
Yes.
Great.
Okay.
Is this here for your, this one here for your keypad one?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yeah.
There you go. We'll hook everything up later, okay? Okay. This here goes on top of here. This here goes with this. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. We want to just get ready. I want you to bring your chair over here and sit here comfortably on Phil.
Okay. I'm bringing the chair. So we got this. Afmal, if you are watching this, this will make your day because tomorrow is my birthday.
Oh, that she can lower it actually.
What?
She can lower it.
Oh, good.
Oh, so you could lower it too? Wow.
Is that more comfortable for you like that, baby?
Of course it is. So, oh, wow. So, oh my gosh.
Okay, these here.
High
Space.
space
Right? Until we're ready?
A P H
Oh, I bought her a different headset.
M A
Which one now?
U.
Not the one she just had you opened up?
Yeah, no, that's supposed to. We're not using that.
Huh?
We're not using that because it's not a good quality. They said it's not a good quality.
So you want another one?
Yes, and I can dispose it. Where's the keyboard she has right now?
Okay, you didn't tell us what you opened
I
up.
forgot about that. Huh? What?
I said, why did you tell us what you opened up?
I forgot about that. I said because I did not see this box here.
I told you we have 3 boxes. Don't be mad at me, please. Angel, got another box to open.
Okay.
I want you. With a keyboard.
Yes.
Huh?
I don't know. Maybe just this one here. Yeah, the fourth. Please. I don't know.
Are we gonna open this?
Yeah, open that, Angel.
I'm good with handling grown-up scissors.
This here wouldn't be the keypad, would it?
Yeah, the fourth is too big.
Open it with caution because you do not know what it is.
Okay. Okay.
And
Headset.
oh, my
And then this is
favorite,
what? See, and another
my
mouse?
lavender mouse. My lavender mouse.
It's a keyboard. It's the headset and the mouse. Yeah.
So could these
It's
be
no big deal. It's no big deal.
could these be extra?
Angel, Angel.
Yeah.
She's getting us confused here. Get over here, Angel. Grab the keypad, put it back over there.
Keypad.
Show
Where?
the difference
What?
between-
What's the keypad?
Get keypad right here.
Oh, I thought you said key.
Put that back over there. See. I don't know what
Careful
what
now.
week it is. Yeah.
To develop, the infrastructure of which takes time to develop here. So I thought it was somewhat
Okay, get over here.
ironic that,
That's stuff there.
now there's no U.S.
Over there?
Yes.
Obviously, there wouldn't be, when you strike a deal like this, it's purely financial in space, but it's still a long-term involvement with an ally, yes.
No, no, no,
Okay. All this stuff here. Right? Okay, let's just go through and figure out. Right?
Yeah. So, let's watch me type. Type some words. I'm a little bit good at typing fast. I'm still in typing club, so yeah,
I'm still learning.
I'm still in typing club. So hi, space, my
You can practice her typing over there.
name
I know that.
is
It's only a win-win situation, so you,
She
yeah?
can edit there. She can study in there.
okay. Wow.
It's
We can ordered this.
Let me see my baby. Wow.
Oh!
So this here,
Mom's face.
That's the remote for her lights.
okay, don't play with this. Don't touch this. Leave this alone till we get it functioning, okay? You
Okay.
understand?
Yes.
But it's real important because if you lose something, you get something, you move something that's out of place until you get it in. That's important. You understand? Huh? Don't give me extra like that.
Okay.
Mom does that.
Liliana,
Yeah.
what are you gonna say?
Thank
You're
you.
welcome, sweetheart. Sweetheart, did you see your purple one?
Yeah. I like it.
You buckle under pressure, huh?
I'm just doing gibberish words. Blah blah blah.
Okay,
POV.
other press is yours.
Sometimes I press
Do
two
what you did.
letters at the same time, like pretend I'm
Okay,
pressing
now
N.
what are you doing now?
I press J.
Here for now.
I don't want nothing on my table. I don't have anything off my table.
It wants me to type fast,
That's what,
like right away. It
there
expects me.
Put it in the box.
you go. There you go. Just one tray.
Okay, this is the body of Mr. Meowmers.
You
Then
know that big box over there on top of the washing machine?
What?
Throw it away.
Hey, about time. What you do
That's
for-
empty.
and then this is the grave of Mr. Meowmers.
Okay, this one here.
Can we put it on top of the washing machine?
I had this a long
Yes.
time ago.
Thank you. Two names up here.
Oh,
Watch. Here. These here? Take them off my table. There's some with them. I'm not on my table, okay? And the lights too. Okay. Holy on. Federal employees that get upset when you challenge. Okay, Angel, got to Baba, get ready.
okay.
Go to bed, yes?
Yes. I'll take this upstairs because it goes upstairs. I'll take this upstairs when it gets to Baba because it goes upstairs.
Yes. That's Chica.
That's
See, I
now.
got you the fancy.
Remember, if you're watching this, I got a meow.
And then I got you
Teeny
some
tiny
picture.
meow. And it's my favorite character,
Got their own color.
Kimberly.
Okay, here they are.
Are you excited, sweetheart?
Yeah. Wait, what?
I put it on the side, in there, by the washer and dryer. In the
In the where? Washing and dryer?
Did you see her cake? Did you see her cake or not? Huh? Really?
oh, how
It's a
cute!
small thing. This is what she wanted. I go, we're gonna share it. Us three. Because you're gonna get a little tiny piece. So I said, buy a big one.
You both are getting tiny pieces.
Yes, because I told her if she buys a big one, then no one's got to sit in the house.
That's perfect
Yeah,
size.
just stick them up. I know. She did a good job on it. After she was
Remember
all
we're
there,
doing
you know.
those today.
Yeah. Isn't it?
So,
No. We're doing them first thing in the morning. You ain't got enough time.
It is not patriotic, and it's almost traitorous. Maybe it is traitorous to do that.
I'm sorry about the whole big fight earlier.
We know North Korea, we know Iran.
Stay tuned for tomorrow.